Dear students, today we shall learn about the standard form of a quadratic polynomial with the zeros. Here, the standard form of a quadratic polynomial with the zeros alpha and beta is k x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Here, this is alpha plus beta sum of the zeros and it is product of the zeros. Now, one example is taken, that is find the polynomial with the zeros 2 and 3. Here, first of all, we have to find the sum of the zeros, that is 2 plus 3 is 5. And the product of the zeros, that is 2 into 3, it is 6. Now we have to replace that sum of the zeros and product of the zeros in the given standard form, that is x square minus alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Here it is found that required polynomial is x square minus 2 plus 3, that is sum of the zeros, and it is product of the zeros, that is 6. Therefore the polynomial is found as x square minus 5x plus 6. Here another example is taken, that is find the polynomial with the zeros 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Here once again we have to find the sum of the zeros, that is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3, and it is very simple that the LCM to be taken, and it is found as 7 by 12. Then product of the zeros is 1 by 4 into 1 by 3, that is 1 by 12. And now this sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros, that is we have to put this one in the standard form, that is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. Then here if we put that sum of the zeros 7 by 12 and the product of the zeros 1 by 12 in this, and we get that polynomial is x square minus 7 by 12 x plus 1 by 12. Then 1 by 12 is taken common, and it is found that 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Then in place of this 12, 1 by 12, that is k is written, where k is 1 by 12, and this polynomial will be that 12x square minus 7x plus 1. This way you have to do in exam, that is any fractional part, if it is there in the polynomial, then you have to take common and you have to adjust with the k, and that remaining part, that is from the square term, remaining part will be this the required polynomial. Here the polynomial we have found as 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Now one more example is taken. Here zeros are not given. Here sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros are given. We have to find the polynomial. Here find a quadratic polynomial with the sum and product of the zeros as given, that is 1 by 4 and minus 1 respectively. That is here sum of the zeros it is given, that is 1 by 4, and the product of the zeros it is given as minus 1. We have to find the quadratic polynomial. It is given that just we have to write this way, that is sum of the zeros is 1 by 4 and the product of the zeros is minus 1, and we have to replace this one, the sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros, in the standard form of a quadratic polynomial with the zeros, that is x square minus alpha plus beta, that is sum of the zeros, into x plus alpha beta. Here we have to put this values of the sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros, and we have found that x square minus 1 by 4x minus 1. Then 1 by 4 is taken common, and remaining part will be found as 4x square minus x minus 4. Here this k is 1 by 4, then the polynomial is 4x square minus x minus 4. This example is taken from the exercise that is 2.2, question number 2 and 1. Then the remaining maths you have to solve it by yourself. Now I have given one homework. Now you have to solve it and you have to show me now itself. Find the quadratic polynomial with the zeros, that is 1 by 5 and minus 1 by 3. You solve it and show me. Thank you.